Hi, my name is Jason, and for today's session, we would be discussing about data extraction. And this specific exercise can be conducted every day, once a week, once every 2 weeks, once every month. And the reason why we are doing this exercise because we want to collect data, whether if it's overwhelming or just small amount of data. This exercise would help you get to your goal, which is collecting information. And what would you be doing with that information? So you'll be using that information or the data that you've collected to find few things. Let's say what's the frequently asked questions by customers, clients, candidates from this period of time to this period of time, and how many questions or how many increase have we received from, let's say, January 5 to, let's say, February 5. And again, that's just an example of what you can do with the data that you'll be collecting. So with that being said, meaning to say, you have to identify the data that you need to collect. After identifying the data that you need to collect, you have to identify the method that you'll be using to collect that data. So for our case, since we have like overwhelming amount of data from, let's say, uh, February 13 up to probably um, this is just an example, okay? Um, probably let's go all the way down to how far we can go. Okay, but let's start that by identifying also the tools that we'll be using. So for today, we'll be using Instant Data Scrapper. Okay, and for you to get that, you just need to go to Chrome Web Store. Just go to your browser and then Google Web Store and then click on the first result. Right after you click on the first result, in the space provided, type in Data Scrapper and you'd be able to see this. Right after you see this, just have it downloaded. And after downloading it, go to your extensions and then make sure that it's going to be pinned so that it would always be accessible on your end. Okay, and let's get to the job or task. So, all right, and let's do this. Okay, so there, we've got dates, we've got responses, we got names, but the only thing that I wasn't able to capture is the question that they probably ask. So most probably the reason why it's not shown is because they haven't been responding and they could probably be just inquiring to a job post. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so let's choose infinite scroll. Okay, and then let's start scrolling. So it says here from bone. Okay, and then as we do that, okay, that's good. All right, so far it's good. It's not stopping. It just keeps on going. All right. Okay, and we'll just keep on going until we've reached the bottom. Okay, so we have already reached December. Okay, right. So let's just keep on rolling, rolling, rolling. Okay, and I think this is almost bottom. Okay, so we can stop already and then save what we've captured so far. Right, and then let's click on it and all right. Okay, So we can remove this because we don't need this. But I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't need this anymore. And the link, this would not matter anymore. So we got the date, we get the response, and we get the name. Okay. All right. So let's go here, check this out. I think it's home. And then conditional formatting. Let's highlight all duplicate values just for us to see if there are duplicate values. Okay, and then scroll way down. Okay, so no duplicate values so far, but we've got 199 inquiries. Okay, so this is from February 13 to December 15. There you go. So this is an excellent exercise. And it happens that if we would try and check out the response made from our responder, it's obvious that the responses that we provided is about their inquiry or the application that they submitted for each job that we submitted between those times. Who to contact, things like those. Okay, and there you go. And now, if you notice, there's no interaction between our page and the candidate or applicant. So the downside here is if you would not be creating or using a bot to work on this opportunity, you're missing a lot because they might also be referring candidates or applicants to your page, and without you setting up something to proactively offer that opportunity or to proactively suggest to candidates that they may refer their friends to our page, then again, you're missing a lot. Now, we've already collected the information, so we got, again, we're looking for number of inquiries, and then we're looking for um, keywords or topics, and then we're looking for the date, okay, or a timeline, right? So, ah, nah, let's just count this manually. There, 199. Application from December 15 to February 13. And that's it. We're done with our tasks. We can now use the data that we've collected to make informed decisions. All right. So thank you so much for your time. Again, my name is Jason, and thank you for watching this video.